Okay, noob talk for the noob ham. Check this out. You want to see something sketchy? Look at this power cord. I wish I could zoom in on it better. There we go. And I'm going to say anything to a noob ham. It occurred to me. We have a. I can't help it, man. Uh, Hang on. I gotta hide something. That's better. uh, Forgive me, but I can't help for what I'm about to say. It occurred to me we have a lot of digital heads out there, hams that have never. How nasty should I get? Hams that have never heard the phrase zero beat, let alone heard it happen. And a lot of sideband heads, and even not so much a CW op. You show me a CW op that has never zero beated a signal, and I'll kiss your ass. Sorry, hang on, I gotta hide something else. Okay, so what we have here is a Heathkit IB-1101. It's my newest Heathkit frequency counter. This one's stuffed chock full of Nixie tubes. Um, so, anyway, you see the disc capacitor. I've got the lead stuck in a jack. Um, that's an output of the clock signal. And what I've done, I just coupled it through a disc cap for safety reasons, because I'll show you. Hang on. See that clip lead? I'll show you where it goes. So I've got it connected, just clipped onto the ground lead of my of my Union, the double core one, the Hot Twins, right? Um, you really don't need that cap at all. I mean, there's no electrical connection, but if I clipped it right directly onto a tap, then I'd have a direct electrical connection to the radio, which doesn't matter. Hang on. Oh man, this thing's making me look stupid. I've got it connected to the speaker, right? My station speaker, and this frequency counter was about 5 hertz off just a few minutes ago. It's only been turned on for 5 minutes, and it started out about 5 hertz off, and we had a real clear beat note. But now that the damn thing's warming up, it's almost perfect. But anyway, listen to WWV without the counter's clock signal mixing with it. This is just WWV. When the tone comes back, here we go.
29 minutes. Coordinated Universal Time.
Oh no, is it bulletin time? Are you doing this to my garbage video? I'm gonna pause you.
5, 10, 15, 20 minutes. Running time of day, standard time interval, and other information.
Thanks, WWV. Just like the 17-meter QSO the other day, you're making me look stupid. Hang on. A delicious beverage, by the way, while we wait. A recommendation from November 8 November Kilo, while WWV screws me. I find this a delicious wobbly pop or adult beverage, which is odd given that in 1981 my friend Katie and I, she being a stunningly beautiful French Canadian 20-year-old, I being a 21-year-old college lad, we rode my motorcycle from Flint, Michigan to Fort Lauderdale and back. And on the way home, as I leaned it back against the lass's ample breast, enjoying the miles and the bounce, uh, Her gym bag, which was draped over the front fender of the motorcycle and stuffed with mangoes, was beaten to a pulp, the mango juice leaking through the Converse brand canvas gym bag and spraying all over the 4 exhaust tubes coming out of the head on my motorcycle. The stench, the disgusting stench, was worse than death, and I vomited all over myself and Katie. Let's, let's, Jesus, let's see what, hang on. Okay. Listen. I'm going to grab my little tool, stick it in the hole, and we'll get rid of the beat note. Hang on.